and let it out.
Yes, Pen, let it out.
If she didn't join, then maybe my best friend would still be in the game.
Good, Pen, go.
It's all her fault. She took my friend away. She doesn't even care who she hurts.
Wait, Pen, you have to control it.
We nearly lost everything. Reality itself because of her.
Pen, run.
Phew. That felt good, Lai. It felt good.
Pen, what is he doing? We're gonna hit him. Whatever, his fault.
Pencil, don't you dare.
He's not even on our team. What does it matter?
Pencil.
Okay, fine.